Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the different screens on the new lock block machine. Again, we have the alarm screen on top like we always have had. We'll clear it by obviously doing what it asks. We have 9 different buttons up here. Each represents each individual cutter that's on the machine. You can turn each one off independently or turn each one on independently. This gives you a lot of options. For instance, you can turn on just your top drill and run it. You run both your top and your bottom. Or you can run just your latch. So any different combination you want it to. This screen over here, the screen you saw shoot up, it just asks to make sure that the hopper system is clear, and that's something that we'll show in a different video. The next screen is your style selection or fence positioning screen. You can select different types of backset, your 2 3/8, your 2 3/4, and then of course your 3 different types of styles. And then you also have your homing button here. I'm going to go ahead and home it. And the buttons gray out as it's doing its procedure. And then if you notice, these lights over here are not lit. So I'm going to tell to move to style. Again, they gray out while it's in motion. Once it gets into position, this light will turn green to illustrate that it's at position. If the product, your style, were to come in at a incorrect size, either it was too thick or too thin, and you wanted to modify the whole location, you can do so by moving the fence. You can either move the fence back to make up for the product being too thin, or vice versa. And when you do so, this will turn yellow to indicate that it's no longer at the default setting but at a modified setting. And this can be done numerous times to add up to an inch if one desired, but obviously that wouldn't be necessary. And then we're going to go ahead and home it again to get it back to the original position, and then select what we wanted, tell it to move to that, and in position. The next screen is something that we're familiar with. This of course is just opening the guard. It tells us we have to turn off the e-stop and unlock cover. And it still has a timer. I'll probably reduce the time because this one doesn't have as much stored energy. And that's it.